Hi, James here from the Excire team. And in this video, I want to talk about a great new feature available in Excire Search 2026 AI-powered video organization. If you used previous versions of Excire Search, you might know that while Excire did a great job at keywording photos and making them searchable, none of the features really applied to videos. Videos weren't automatically keyworded, nor were they searchable via the prompt search tool, the similarity search tool, and so on. But with Excire Search 2026, that's no longer the case. You can now manage your photos and videos side by side using Excire's AI, which makes it so much easier to maintain a nicely organized media catalog. So let's fire up Lightroom and I'll show you what I mean. Lightroom Classic offers basic video support in the library module. These are all video files here, and if I mouse over a file, you'll see there's a little preview of its contents, and you can also watch a video by opening it up, clicking this play button here, and you click on the gear icon here. You can trim the video, you can capture video frames if you want to just by clicking here. But Excire really takes all this to the next level. Basically, you can treat videos similarly to how you treat photos. So you start by initializing the files by going to Library, plug in Extras, initialize photos, and even though it says photos, it's both photos and videos here. And during this process, Excire is going to analyze a representative frame from each video you import and apply keywords and an aesthetic score automatically. So as long as you check the transfer keywords after initialization and transfer aesthetic values after initialization options, then once the initialization is complete, you'll see those relevant aesthetic scores and the relevant keywords right here on the right-hand side. So in this case, Excire is automatically labeled this video with things like cliff and sport. We have sailing, beach, because there's this rocky foreground bit here. You'll also find the aesthetic score in the bottom right-hand corner in the metadata panel. If you have all plugin metadata selected, you'll see aesthetic score appears right here. Even more usefully, you can search for videos using Exire's various tools. So let me pull up the Excire search panel. So I'm just going to press Alt plus X on my keyboard. This would be Option plus X if I were using a Mac. So you could also choose Library, plug in Extras, and then open Excire search panel. And as you can see here, the expanded version of the panel, it shows photo previews, but this does not extend to videos. So I'm going to press this here to turn it into this handy little strip. And so I have all my main Excire tools here, several of which are great for finding videos. So first, since Excire labels my videos with keywords, I can always run a keyword search here. So I'll click on this icon, search by keyword, comes up here. And so I'll just quickly go ahead and choose keyword cliff. And maybe I'll go ahead and I'll add blue as a dominant color. So we've got 92 photos that match the selected keywords. I'm going to set Excire to search in the whole catalog, and I'll just go ahead and click start here. So if I hit G, so we see the whole results collection here, you can see that Excire has returned a number of these different photos and video files. If we scroll down, that have both the cliff and the blue color. And if we come down to the bottom here, let's see if we can find the video that I started with. It's right here, but it's among quite a few other results. So let me show you what happens if I come here back to the panel. So I'm going to run a prompt search, and I'm just going to set it so that Excire only looks in this film strip, that is, this results collection. And I'm just going to search for video with wind surfer by a cliff. I'm going to go ahead and hit start to run this, and let's see if Excire can find the video that I'm looking for. Is right here. My video, it's number 2 in the results. So, keyword search works great for videos, and prompt search does too. And you can also run a similarity search where you look for similar photos and videos based on a reference file. So, if I do go to the Excire Search panel again, I can run the similarity search with this magnifying glass icon on my selected clip, where I'm looking for similar files based on the content throughout my entire catalog. And I'm just going to go ahead and click Start. And as you can see here, Excire pulled up a bunch of videos filmed in the same spot or in a very similar spot, as well as some photos of water and cliffs as we scroll down here. If you capture any videos, even just casually, this new video support is going to make life so much easier for you, since you can now organize and find both your photo and video files in practically no time at all. I do want to mention that not every Excire tool works equally well with videos. For instance, the facial recognition search tool, such as Find People, does struggle to identify faces effectively, and the duplicate search and culling tools aren't designed to work with video. But the automatic keywording, the prompt search, and the similarity search all do a really solid job. So go ahead and try searching for some of your videos in Lightroom and see how easy they are to find. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, click that like button, and for more tips and tutorials on Excire's AI-powered photo management software, subscribe to our channel.